Today I want to show you guys this sponsored product I got for review. As you guys can see, it just finished making ice cubes. So it just makes the ice cubes within 7 minutes, and you get 9 pieces. And you can see once it finish making, it is automated. It will just push everything inside to this basket just like that. And while it's doing that, you can see on the back, that's the container where the water goes inside and the coils stays inside. You can see those white the coils over there. So it just goes inside and start making the ice. You can see it's just filling. Once it's filled all the way, it just throws the water, excess water, and you can see it just goes back right there inside the reservoir here. And this is your reservoir, that's where you put the water. And there is a marking here, that's how you should fill. Don't go over there. If you go above that, while the basket inside, it will touch the water and it will start melting, so don't do that. So over here you can see it takes a lot of ice, and you can just keep it like this. It keeps the ice for a good amount of time. They don't really melt fast, so it stays there. And it comes with this scoop. You can easily scoop out your ice, and you can see they are pretty nice and large. Just like this, you can take and refill your cup. Very easy operation, just like that. And you can see they are nice large ice cube. You can take them. You can see pretty nice large. So the operation is very easy. Let me show you guys from the top. Once you are ready, you press this. You will see the power on button will turn into green. That is an indication it start making the ice. It cools and start the ice. And once you see this is light up, it means you need to empty this basket so it can push more ice here. And once you see this light up, that you need to fill the water. And you can see it is really nice compact unit. That is the size of it, so pretty easy to move around. It has this handle. If you don't want the handle, you can remove it just like this, and same thing from the other side, and just put it away. But I don't see any reason why would you do that, because it just stays on the back. So again, very easy. You can easily move around. Just put it away. Once you are done with it, you can easily store. Doesn't take much space. Even if you just put on the counter, it can stay on the corner. Just doesn't take space. So over here, I'm really happy with it. So on the side, it has a fan. It just blows some air. And over here it has an intake. It takes the air, cools the coolant, and just let the heated air come out. It works pretty quiet, not too loud. I'm not gonna say not whisper quiet, but it's not like bothering loud. It is really acceptable. So overall, works really well. I really like it. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.